Hello everyone, thank you so much for your joining here on my live stream. So today we have here the welcome back to Crypto Buzz with Alex. I'm thrilled to be here with you tonight because we have got some incredibly exciting news from Gateio that you absolute don't want to miss. We are talking about the Bob token BOB initial listing and a fantastic candy drop event. So that's right, the Bob token is officially listing on Gate.io and mark your calendars November 20, 2025 at 12:30 p.m. UTC is the initial listing time. So this is a big one folks, and there is an amazing opportunity to get your hands on some Bob tokens even before trading begins. So this is the CandyDrop 115th CandyDrop X Bob BOB trade deposit and invite friends to share 4347826 BOB tokens. So CandyDrop is a Gates Candy airdrop platform where users complex tasks to earn candies and share token airdrops. We are excited to launch the Bob tokens airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 4347826. That means 4,347,826 BOB token with a maximum individual share of 10,500 BOB. Details are as follows. So first spot trading pool with 1,473,913 BOB, maximum 5,000 BOB per person. And second deposit pool 100,000 BOB, a fixed reward 500 BOB per person. Invite friends pool with 1,473,913 BOB, maximum 5,000 BOB per person. So airdrop calculation formula: individual candy amount slash total candies of all users multiplied by prize pool. So event period November 20, 2025, 14 o'clock by the UTC time to until December 2, 2025, 14 o'clock UTC time. So number one, first spot trade prize pool rules. Users whose very first spot trade on Gate with Bob achieving a spot trading volume 500 USDT will earn one candy. The total reward pool is 1,473,913 BOB. Maximum per user is 5,000 BOB. The reward rule is as follows. Volume of first spot trade with 500 USDT equals 1 candy. Volume of first spot trade 1000 USDT equals 2 candies, and volume of first spot trade 3000 USDT equals 3 candies, and volume of first spot trade of 5000 USDT equals 5 candies. Volume of first spot trade of 10,000 USDT equals 10 candies, which you can achieve with a spot trading. And second, deposit price pool rules. During the event, users with net deposits of 1000 USDT held for at least 24 hours and not withdrawn will receive candies based on the deposits amount. A total reward pool of 1 million BOB will be shared with a fixed reward of 500 BOB. Net deposit is calculated based on the BOB price at the time of deposit. Cumulative net deposit equals on-chain deposits, on-chain withdrawals, redemption of recharge codes, C2C sales, and any withdrawal after claiming task will also be included in the net deposit data. So thank you so much everyone for your joining here on my live stream. Please like, follow, and share it with the others as well. And number 3, invite friends. Prize pool rules. So during the event, for every successful invitation of one valid friend who registers and completes 200 USDT BOB spot trading, you can receive one candy with a maximum of 10 candies. All candy holders will share a prize pool of 1,473,913 BOB token with a maximum reward of 5,000 BOB person. Note: to qualify as a valid referral, users must register through the exclusive event link and complete 200 USDT in the spot trading of BOB. So referrals who have participated in other invitation campaigns will not be eligible for candy rewards at the event. Project introduction. BOB is a building the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi unlock real utility for the world's most important asset by fusing Bitcoin's unmatched security with Ethereum's versatility. BOB creates the premier destination for Bitcoin liquidity applications and institutions. Bob's hybrid chain uniquely combines ZK proofs and BTC stacking to create native bridges to both Ethereum and Bitcoin BITVM. Bob's multi-chain gateway lets users swap Bitcoin into an asset or deposit directly into DeFi across 11 plus chains powered by BTC. Intentions token BOB, their official website, which is linked here on Gate.io, and the X Twitter site for the BOB as well. So these are the details, guys, on Gate. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, Moon Girl, and sending me the reward of 1 USDT. Thank you very, very much. So there's some notes by the Gate. Number 1, participants must click the join now button on the event page after successfully joining the event. They must complete the event task and identity verification to receive rewards. And number 2, rewards will be distributed to users accounts within 14 working days after the end of the event. And number 3, it is strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts, engage in malicious wash trading, self-buying, and self-selling, or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts of the same verified users will be considered the same account. Sub-accounts are not allowed to participate in activities. And number 4, market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to participate in the event. Agent accounts cannot participate in friend invitation type activities, while other activities are unrestricted. Number 5, in case of any discrepancies between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. And number 6, Gate has the final interruption rights for the event. And number 7, users in restricted areas cannot access all part of the services, including participating in the event, game, or competition. For more information about restricted areas, please read users agreement. And number 8, Risk warning: users must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. So please be sure to pay attention to market risk and trade cautiously. So these were the details by the CandyDrop 115th CandyDrop X BOB trade and deposit and invite friends to share 4,347,826 BOB token, which you can share it with the others as well. So thank you so much guys for your joining on my live stream. Please like, follow and share with the others as well. So now I will check with the BOB's website here, the BOB Vision Ecosystem Documentation blog, and so this is their gateway to Bitcoin DeFi. The Bob's hybrid chain fuses Bitcoin's unmatched security with Ethereum's versatility, unlock a real utility for the world's most important assets, which you can launch the app or our region as well. So the premier destination for Bitcoin liquidity apps and institutions are here. They are listed: TVL with the 211, 235, 342. The users is already included in this systematic BOB's token, which is 549,245. The transactions being made 39,198,884 till now. The project's building on Bitcoin is 120 plus, and DEX volume is about 1.70 billion plus. So Bitcoin DeFi is the opportunity of the decade. 0.3%. Today is just 0.3% of Bitcoin is market cap is used in a true Bitcoin DeFi compared to 30% for Ethereum. And 750 billion BOB's mission is to close that 750 billion gap, providing the safest and easiest way to earn with your Bitcoin. So this is the interface of their website. So BOB is a unified gateway for BTCFI. Number one, click earn Bitcoin stacking, Bitcoin DeFi and Bitcoin vaults, all accessible with just one click via BOB earn. You can earn through this one. If you come here and you have to earn with your Bitcoin like this. So multi-chain BTC DeFi BOB gateway provides one-click BTC deposits and withdrawals for 11 plus major chains including Ethereum on-chain, Base and BNB chain. And third, native BTC via BitVM. The BTC on BOB is just BTC with no wrappers or custodians, powered by BitVM. So BOB gateway SDK Hyper Bitcoinize your drop with frictionless native BTC deposits and withdrawals via BOB gateway. So cross-chain swaps: swap native BTC into any asset on any chain and swap back to native BTC on Bitcoin. The Hypered chain fuses the best of a BTC and ETH. EVM simplicity built on the OP stack with a native ETH bridge and the DeFi dApps you know and love. Hyper ZK proofs: roll up security via Hyper ZK fault proofs for the best balance between speed and cost. Real Bitcoin finality: all apps, assets and transactions will be secured by billions in stacked Bitcoin. Native BTC bridge: BitVM delivers native BTC onto BOB while retraining a strong Bitcoin security, no custodians, no wrappers. So access BTC from anywhere with BOB gateway, frictionless one-click movement between native BTC and Bitcoin DeFi powered by Bitcoin Intents and Layer 0 bridge. Swap or stake BTC or multiple chains with just a single transaction, which you can get it from here. Bridge BTC now. And there's powerful toolkit for BTC. The BOB Gateway SDK gives 15k drops on 11 chains access to native BTC. Safe and easy access to native BTC. BTC's transfers are verified by light client proofs on BOB. And number one, click deposits and withdrawals. BOB Gateways also allows you to swap back to native BTC from any connected chains. Oh, hi Electronics, thank you so much for your joining. Where are the others? Why don't they join yet? So BOB Gateway also allows you to swap back to native BTC from any connected chains. Modular and extensible. BOB Gateway has been designed to integrate with a variety of third-party solutions. Layer 0 is just the start. So go build on Bitcoin. Build on BOB for maximum Bitcoin security for your application build. So build with BOB for access to billions in BTC liquidity via one simple EVM integration. Deploy on the BOB hybrid chain EVM. Build the intersection of Bitcoin and EVM with full EVM opcode compatibility using state-of-the-art developer tooling, analytics, wireless and blockchain infrastructure. The BOB hybrid chain is built on the OP stack and is a member of the OP superchain built on optimism. You can go through this one to start building on BOB. And for developers, access native BTC via BOB Gateway. Hello, brother, and how are you? Hello, and welcome to my live stream, Gateio. Thank you so much for your joining here. Please like, follow, and share with the others as well. So integrate the BOB Gateway's SDK in your app to enable direct deployment from Bitcoin's L1 and any connected chain. So optional intents such as stacking, lending, and swapping tokens can all be achieved while only required a single Bitcoin transaction from the users. So run above hybrid node. Hybrid nodes are responsible for operating BOB's core infrastructure. Institutions can focus on one or more key hybrid nodes rules, including provide the BOB hybrid chain with Bitcoin finality while stacked BTC and operating the VM bridge, bringing native BTC to Bob. So join BitVM or ACC. BitVM or ACC is a working group that brings together. Oh, hello Discovery, how are you? Good evening to you. Thank you very much for your joining here on my live stream. So BitVM builds Bitcoin businesses and Bitcoin institutions to accelerate BitVM adoption. Membership is free and will ensure you remain at the forefront of developments in BitVM. So there's a bag to buy. The Castle Island, Coinbase Ventures, Cathy Ledger, and angels from AAVE Curve, Anchorage Digital, and more. So join the BOB community here. And thank you so much everyone for your joining here on my live stream. Please like, follow, and share with the others as well. So these are the BOB's news. Catch up on the latest news and updates from BOB. The BOB airdrop, everything you need to know about the BOB airdrop. You can click on it and learn from here more. The BOB gateway, the BOB launches one-click network BTC, WBTC, or FT transfers across 11 major chains. The 21 million raised, a total of 21 million has been raised to fund the development of the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi. So channel link scale, BOB joins channel link scale to unlock the next wave of Bitcoin DeFi growth. Oh, hi Cryptoself, thank you so much for your joining. And how are you today? And the next one is a native Bitcoin on BOB. The new BitVM release on testnets enables native BTC for DeFi. So what is a hybrid chain? BOB 101, the hybrid chain is the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi. You can learn it from here more. Alhamdulillah, we are all good. How about you, Cryptoself and Discovery? Thank you for both of you to joining my live stream. I'm actually on the task today of BOB. So moving to the segment, guys, what is a BitVM? BOB 101 BitVM brings a native BTC to BOB. And the next is the BOB blog. See the combined wisdom of the full BOB team in the BOB blog archives. And BOB airdrop, everything you need to know about the BOB airdrop. So let's just click on it and let's see what we will get here. So BOB updates, everything you need to know about the BOB airdrop. Approximately 17,000 core BOB supporters and 200,000 wider community members are eligible to claim a share of 415 million BOB tokens. November 20, 2025. The BOB gateway to Bitcoin's DeFi BOB airdrop. So with a fixed supply of 10 billion BOB tokens, the upcoming airdrop will see 4.15% of the total supply allocated to BOB community members that have supported BOB's journey to become the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi. You may be eligible if you have harvested spice in BOB Fusion by participating in BTCFI on the BOB network, completed quests, or participated in wallet and content creation campaigns. So BOB, the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi, the BOB airdrop summary, max supply with a 10 billion BOB tokens. Community and ecosystem total with 51.91% of supply. Initial claims are 415 million BOB, 4.15% of supply. Stacking bonus will be up to 250% additional BOB. So why airdrop to community? The goal of the BOB airdrop is to create a wide token holder base ahead of launch, ensuring active users and the long-term community members have a stake in the success of the network from day one. So this is important for securing BOB's hybrid chain via stacking. Airdropped BOB tokens can be immediately stacked and delegated to BOB hybrid nodes, earning stacking rewards and ultimately being used to elect and rank active Bitcoins finality providers, BitVM bridge operators, Bitcoin stacking block builders, and gateway solvers. So facilitating decentralized governance by putting a significant amount of BOB tokens in the hands of the people already helping the network to grow. The airdrop will enable holders to vote on governance proposals to change network parameters. Governance and the BOB DAO will both be live from day one. So for a full breakdowns of BOB tokens, you can click here for the more details. So initial claims, structure, airdrop, and staking bonus are here, and that 4.50% of BOB tokens allocated to initial claims are allocated as follows: with 2.15% airdrop to eligible wallets that have participated in the BOB Fusion system and other campaigns, and 2% lockup stacking bonus is claimed by stacking and time locking BOB tokens for 3, 6, or 18 months. The longer the commitment to the protocol, the higher your bonus and the higher your voting power and influences in the future of the BOB network. So airdrop eligibility criteria: to ensure the BOB airdrop is distributed fairly among guest network participants, wallet eligibility has been calculated based on a combination of on-chain and social criteria, including spice harvested during BOB Fusion seasons 1 to 3, as well as a healthy on-chain activity that contributed to the growth of the ecosystem. Thank you so much, CryptoCell, for the beautiful gift. Thank you very, very much. Including spice harvested during BOB Fusion Season 1 to 3, as well as a healthy on-chain activity that contributed to the growth of the ecosystem. The Fusion snapshot was taken on 6 November 14 o'clock by the UTC time. So important notice: the BOB Foundation is working with the TRM Labs to comply with the legal requirements. All wallet addresses will be validated against money laundering and ignoring criminal behavior prior to the token distribution. If your wallet address score negatively for these risk factors, then you may be deemed ineligible. On-chain activity is a stricter requirement for eligibility. Wallets without on-chain activity are disqualified automatically. A number of strategic liquidity providers who provided significant support to liquidity pools, sending, lending, and other DeFi primitives on BOB are excluded from the BOB SPY system to avoid violation and are subject to a 12-month lockup schedule. Some campaign allocations are also subject to pre-agreed lockup schedules as well. So priority to BOB OGS to reward our earliest supporters. Spice harvested in session 1 of Fusion has a 50% greater weighting in the airdrop calculation. The spice from sessions 2 and 3. Claiming process: you will be able to check your eligibility and claim your airdrop using the official BOB claims page. The details will be shared the morning of November 20. So any airdrop allocations not claimed within 45 days of token launch will be returned to the ecosystem treasury. So this is a stacking mechanism and a time lock bonus. So early time lock bonus to receive their maximum possible initial allocations. Airdrop recipients will need to stack their BOB on receipt and lock up for 18 months, thereby receiving 250% bonus tokens. Smaller bonuses are available for time lock. For shorter periods, 25% for 3 months time lock, 50% for 6 month time lock. To claim the one time bonus, tokens must be stacked and logged up within the first 60 days after TGE. Bonus tokens are added to the stacked token balance and accrue stacking rewards. Thank you and welcome Jubairi S. So by selecting the longest time lock option, you are demonstrating your belief on Bob's vision and future progress. In addition to the significantly larger token allocation, this lock-up period signals your status in the community and immediately grants you increased voting power in protocol governance. So this is the BOB, the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi early time lock bonus of up to 250%. So stack and lock up your BOB during the first 60 days after TGE to qualify for a token bonus for 3 months. Lock up 25% bonus, 6 month lock up to 50% bonus, 18 months lock up 250% bonus. So these were the details, guys, here about the CandyDrop 115, the CandyDrop X BOB trade deposit, and invite friends to share 4,347,826 BOB tokens with you and with your friends as well. So CandyDrop is a Gate Candies airdrop platform where users compete tasks to earn candies and share tokens airdrops. We are excited to launch the BOB token airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share a total prize of 4,347,826 BOB tokens with a maximum individual share of 10,500 BOB. Details are as follows, which you can see on my screen as well.